Hello, today I am at the Learner Tech Tools Symbaloo page on the PV at Home website to show you how to log into and navigate RAZ Kids. To get to the page I'm on, you can simply go to bit.ly/PV at Home and navigate to the Learner Tech Tools page. RAZ Kids is found directly here. If I click or tap that link, I'll be led to the login page for RAZ Kids. What you need to get into RAZ Kids will be two things. Your facilitator's username. You can see here I have my facilitator's username already typed in, but you can simply type it in to this box. Click the Go button. And then I'm taken to a dashboard where all the learners in my facilitator's class will be listed. I have myself a test student here. And then the second thing you'll need is your learner password. The learner password can be gotten from your facilitator. If they haven't given that to you, please just reach out to them to inquire about that password. Once you have the password entered and put in, you'll be taken to your learner dashboard, which has any assignments directly here. You'll see them listed. The number populated will increase as more things have been assigned to you. If you also have access to the bookshelf, you will find that here as well. And you can just navigate from listen to read to quiz to interactive. It's just going to work left to right. It's that simple. I hope that this tutorial on getting logged in and navigating RAZ Kids was helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.